Like,
she's
the
one
whole
character,
brand
but
is
then
just-
they
But then,
brought it
yeah,
to the whole
it
game.
she infested everything.
Is that what Idris Elba is like in the movie?
What?
He's in the movie.
Tiny Tina.
Oh yeah, what are you talking about?
No, guys,
So
he's
she
in the
played,
movie.
No, he's not. It's fucking.
Yes.
It's Kevin Hart.
No, Idris Elba is in the Borderlands movie.
No. That's Kevin Hart.
I think he is.
No,
Kevin Hart? What are you, stupid?
It's Kevin Hart, bro.
Yeah, he was Tiny Tina.
You fucking stupid dude. What the? It's Kevin Hart.
You're so stupid. You actually thought it was Idris Elba. Oh my god. You thought it was something that made
Well,
sense.
when you said Kevin Hart, I thought it was Kevin James. I was really confused. I thought Kevin James was.
What a fucking misunderstanding.
Oh
Donald.
shit. Oh no.
Cheerio. What?
Holy shit.
Oh, it doesn't. Okay. Wait, can you summon the car up here?
It might bounce off.
Calling down a vehicle.
Oh no. 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 No. No.
Okay, plan B, I guess.
Hold on. I'm gonna test. Go.
My turn.
Alright. It's not gonna. Wait, maybe if I catch you. Oh, I didn't make it.
Okay, maybe we don't all beat them. Or maybe
You tell me this is honest.
No!
It's just cool. That's really all there is to it. The Easter egg's cool too, but
Oh!
Large axle.
Even further.
Wow.
Yeah, protect this shit.
Yo, guys,
So-called
real
I'm
men
done.
make your panties
I am
wet,
a tree
not
hugger.
your
I like
ass.
hugging trees.
Chris Hansen is gonna appear out of nowhere.
I met Chris Hansen. Yeah.
you married.
What? Wait. What scenario did you meet him in exactly?
Oh wow, look at this. I got this.
Oh, I think Noah just pushed me down.
Uh-oh.
It is not good.
Oh no! He got away from you. Looks like they did a lot.
No, I mean like they're annoying.
Oh, so it sounds like they're doing their job. Whoa! Whoa! What the fuck?
Another day, just another day. To share the love that only she can give.
Bro, I did just hit the max shard holder,
Shard holder.
so I have 189 MPen.
Shard holder.
That's also what I heard.
So I think I do true damage.
They're called diapers, bro.
Yeah, you have the bad curse.
Lucas,
Where
the people in the new PUBG pass are not
It's
to
okay,
your
though.
liking.
Wait, are they black?
Mr. Gurr, your limo is here.
There's only two people who would say that joke, and it's either Nick or Peter.
Excuse you? Who?
What?
This is Pelican 1, preparing for touchdown.
Mayrob?
This fits sick.
Please. Game. Yes.
Come on.
Come on.
Go,
Get in.
go, hurry. What the fuck was that? Whoa!
Oh my god. What the fuck? It's still. Okay. Oh my god, come on.
Whoa!
Get in.
Hurry.
Oh, you can't move. Okay.
Whoa, buddy.
Oh,
Yeah.
I thought I'd reach that wall. It's okay. I barely lost any health, but
Oh, okay.
No, what did I do for, what did you crawl to the left? I'm under you.
Oh, I'm trying to look. I'm assuming yes. I didn't go up, I don't think. I went left.
Okay.
And then there'll be a spot you can go up.
Oh yeah, I got it.
Yeah, there you are. Oh no, Teddy!
it'd be crazy if you didn't have enough stamina to get on, and you just die. No, it's just you.
Oh no. Oh. Like,
Didn't they change his name from McCree?
Yes, it did.
yeah, because the guy who like they named after McCree was one of the Blizzard like rapists or whatever.
Yeah,
Oh.
a really bad guy.
So that's why they did it. One of the Blizzard rapists. Sounds like a very scary like gang from the 1800s.
Yeah, they rolled in with the blizzard.
In Chicago in the 80s,
Well,
it got
well, they
real,
follow
you
the
couldn't see
storm
anything.
clouds.
You couldn't see anything.
You couldn't call for help, and if you went out, you were dead. You had no choice but to stay inside.
Alright, son, we can get a Hershey's bar. They're cheaper.
What the fuck was that noise?
You completely cut out.
Alright, son, I can't get you the Feastable's too expensive. I can't work it into the budget. But what if I got you the 7-Eleven? What if I got you 7-Eleven select candy bar? No, Dad.
Oh, Joe, I don't know if Donald told you, but we're porking this weekend.
What?
Since we couldn't pork on Memorial Weekend. You and me. Yeah, you guys are
The confidence in which that was said.
Yeah,
We
we're
didn't wanna pork
porking
on
this weekend.
Memorial Weekend, so we're porking this weekend.
Hey Charlie, do you want to take one for the team?
What do you mean?
I'm don't move.
The fuck?
Oh, did I just
You took it.
21 stacks away.
You know what
I
they say
can get
now.
Shojin too.
Money owns this town. Oh my god, it was. Let's go.
Where's Black Hermione?
wand.
You dirty black man.
I went to
Whoa,
buy
what
wand.
did
Those
you
things are like
just say?
$70, man.
Yeah, they're expensive.
Dial that one back.
Oh, I'm sorry. So we can say mudblood all we want, but oh, shit. Oh,
Buddy.
what?
Stop.
It's a toggle. It's a toggle.
Okay.
Okay, you can't eat on the. Okay. Should I just try to do it without the thing and then drop down for?
When you eat it, just start like jumping over and over.
Okay, wait, no, never mind. I'll just eat it on there.
And you just gotta start jumping over and over and make sure you can fucking actually get up there. Oh.
And I'm hot.
Not even doing anything anymore.
Corwin's so good at this game. They're just not even like trying, I guess. Okay.
Whoa.
What the- Whoa.
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 Whoa. Why the ball? Oh.
What the hell? Hey, guys?
Are we gonna lose after this? Or like,
What's happening?
I don't know. The ball's doing its thing though,
Holy shit, this is awesome.
and we get to hear the whole song, I guess. this.
Oh, it's repeating.